Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to remove watermark from Microsoft Word. Yes, in this video I would like to share how to add text or image watermark and how to remove the watermark from Microsoft Word. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, from my laptop, I just opened the official document of HowXT. So this is my official document. It has contained chart and table and all the documents. So this is a confidential document. I would like to make a watermark of this document. So on your Word, you will find a home button, insert and design. Just hit the design button. So design button has a lot of options. Here you will find an option called watermark. So just hit the button watermark. You will find a confidential, do not copy, and a different kind of a way of template will be available. Once I click the confidential, automatically the confidential will be added in my watermark, as you see. So you can able to attach the confidential watermark. So this is an easy way. Whatever mark, whatever information you want to add, automatically it will be added over there in the template. Whatever template you want to select, you can select according to your needs. For example, this is do not copy. I want my company name should be there on the watermark. So once I click the watermark, you will find an option called more watermark from offline. This is connect to the internet and you want to go to custom watermark. So once I click the custom watermark, automatically it will direct you to the a box. So print watermark. So whatever watermark you want, you can type and you can able to keep on there. So there will be a text watermark, there will be no watermark, picture watermark and text watermark. Just select watermark and select the text called HowXT. So once I type HowXT, so you want color, choosing whatever color you want font, any other font you want to choose, and whatever information you want, a layout horizontally or diagonally, you can choose according to your need and apply. So automatically your watermark will be added over here. So HowXT will be added over here, so that every document, for example, if I want to add new pages, just I click enter, so automatically new pages also will be added the watermark. So this is an easy way you can able to add the watermark. If the documents contains the watermark, you want to remove the watermark, just go to the design option and select the watermark session and remove watermark. Automatically your entire document, there is no watermarks will be available. Once you click, automatically the watermark will be removed over there. Yes, now I would like to show you how to insert the logo as a watermark. Yes, once I click the watermark option, go to the custom watermark and the select option picture watermark. So first I showed you about text watermark. Just select picture watermark and select picture. So wherever your logo will be there, you just select according to your need. For example, my laptop contains my logo. Just I select from my file, or you want to have OneDrive or a Bing image search, or wherever your image is there, you can select. From my system, I can select my logo. I just select my logo and I just click insert. So my logo is selected, I have directed, and the scale option will be automatic, and just click OK and apply. So automatically my logo, my HowXT logo will be added like a watermark. So have you seen? So this is a great option. So this is a great option. You can able to show your confidential document with the watermark, so no one will be copied from you. So if you want to remove your watermark, you just click and remove your watermark. So this is an easy way. If you did this kind of document, do not share the Word document file, just to share the PDF document sent. So this is an easy step. You can able to insert a watermark, you can delete the watermark using the Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.